said, Amy has my new cell phone number.
No, I don't, obviously. And Bob obviously has a new cell phone number, because I got Bruno.
Do you remember it?
No.
1, 2, outside green line to the last jump. 1, 2, green line, last jump. And just take it like a nice, easy class. It doesn't have to be faster, you know. What a good girl.
She's being such a good girl.
I want to let her open her up a little more in the second class.
Hello.
Force
Good,
it here,
good.
you know?
I think
Yeah.
we should be done in about an hour. If we even do the next
Lots left
revision.
leg.
Because I don't want you waiting around. I apparently do not have your new cell phone number. And the number I have for Bob is someone named Bruno. So I guess I need a...
Good girl.
Good girl, Marley.
Good
Right
girl.
now, because I got nothing to write it down. Just, I should probably
Let
have
go.
them correct.
There you go. One more.
Yes?
Support.
Ooh, good. Okay.